Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to UpSec's online support program. This is level preschool. Class is prep. Subject is maths. And I am your maths teacher, Miss Itra Zafar from Army Public School and College, Jonia, Kent. Students, our today's topic is missing numbers. Resources are pencil, eraser, worksheet or notebook. Objective of the lesson that students you will be able to fill in the missing numbers. Before starting today's work, let's do mental maths. So get ready. Yes, students, tell me which number is this. Look at this number and tell me. Yes, very good. And now tell me which number is this. Good job. Can you tell me the name of this shape? Well done. And what is the name of this shape? Superb. Alright students, now we will sing number song. So sing it along.
Hi kids. Let's all count from 1 to 20. We'll count from 1 to 20 3 times, and each time we'll count faster.
Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great job, kids. Let's count again faster.
Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Outstanding. Let's count again even faster.
Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Alright students, we have sung number song. Now we will revise numbers from 1 to 20. So let's get started. Revise these numbers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And which number is this? 7. Very good. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very good. Okay students, now there is an activity for you. You can see there are some apples with missing numbers. You will fill in the missing numbers. Tell me which number is this? Yes, this is number 1. And what comes after 1? Yes, 2. What comes after 2? 3, 4. And what comes after 4? 5. Well done. 6, 7. And what comes after 7? I think number 9. No. Then which number comes after number 7? 8. Well done. Very good. And what comes after 8? And before 10? 9. Well done. Good job. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13. Yes, very good. 14 and 15. Well done students. Good job. Alright students, this is the worksheet. You will do work on this worksheet, but before doing work, write your full name then write section, that in which section you are, then write today's date, which is 19th of May 2021. Then you will fill these blanks with correct numbers. Okay, and these numbers are here. If you do not have this worksheet with you, then you can do this work on the notebook. Okay, let's start your work. Best of luck for your today's task.